Hi, in this demo video, I'm going to be showing you everything that is on the admin dashboard. So for you to know, admin is not like the principal. The admin is actually the school owner, and he controls virtually everything in the school. Like he sees everything. He assigns the principal. He creates a role for the principal, the teachers, and other staffs on the admin panel. So the admin panel can have the general overview of the school because he controls virtually everything online. So here you can dashboard, you can actually see everything, like you can have a bird view of everything that is happening in your school. So here you can see the total number of students, the teachers, parents, and staff. Okay, then here you can see the income, total expenses, the profit, revenue, and the wallet balance. So you go down, here is going to show you the income and the expense sheet. Then the notice board, you can actually add announcements or anything in your notice board. It will be visible on the school website and also on the dashboard for the students, teachers, and parents also. Then you have the calendar. It shows you the schedule of everything in school, maybe holidays, notice, and exam, tests, and everything. You can see it. So we'll be going to see all the features of this school management system software here, because everything is on the admin panel here. So going to the administration, you can see the admission query, the visitors book, the complaints. I will not be opening everything because it's going to take a lot of time. I'm just showing you how this thing works, and just for you to have the general knowledge of how this school management system works. So as you can see, we have the complaints by students or parents or everything. Once a complaint is made, you can see it here. Postal receipts, maybe you receive a letter, your receptionist can actually post it here for you to see, and postal dispatch also. Yeah. And yeah, phone call, admin setup, ID card. You can actually create ID card here. Student certificates, you can generate certificate also. Then going to the academics, we have section is like term in Nigeria. There's a first term, second term, third term. Optional subjects, the class, primary 1, primary 2, primary 3, the subject, maths, English. You can assign teacher to a class, you can assign a subject to a teacher. Then the classrooms, primary 1A, 1B, 1C, class routines, and these are study material. You can actually upload, let's say, assignments or courses for students, parents, teachers to download and see. Then the lesson plan, yeah, the student information. Yeah, you can add students, you can see the student list. Multi-class, this majorly maybe for university students that are taking different classes at a time. Then you can delete student record. Then student attendance, the admin can actually add the attendance of a student. Let's take for example, let's say we are taking a class, we are picking a class, this is 10. Then we can just search. Let me show you how you take attendance. You can just go down, you can just put present, late, absent, or half day. Then you can put a notice here, maybe student came late. Then you can save attendance. So student group, student promote. Here you can promote a student from maybe primary 1 to primary 2 easily. Disabled students, you can also see them here if you have in your school. Then subject-wise attendance, maybe maths, English, and all. But this attendance is like the general class attendance. So sending SMS sending time. This is like sending SMS to, like if you want to automate SMS sending. Then behavior record. This for students. Let's say the student has issues with school, you can save all the records here. Then here you can change the settings too. Then the fees. Here you can see the record of all the school fees paid, and let's open this. So because this is a demo, this is a demo software, then a lot of data are not imputed. So let's go to homework. You can add homework. You can see the list and see the report of all the homework. You go to the library, you can see the list of books, the categories, issue, return, and all that. Then transportation too, maybe boarding school students, you can see the route, and also for also these students, if you have buses taking their students, the parents can actually see the list. And also exam, you can set up exam type, then schedule, maybe Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, all that. You can do that on this system. You can actually do online exam too. You can set exam plan, that's the seats, admit card, if you have admit card in your school. Then the human resource, this is about staff, designation, departments. You can add a staff. Then you can also take attendance for staffs here. Then the payroll, teacher evaluation here, all this, and leave. The students can apply for leave, staffs can apply for leave. You can see here, ending leave here. All this, there are no data in this, but if you apply for a leave here, it's going to show. So because I don't want to make this video very long, I just want you to have the general idea of this. That's why I'm not opening all these tabs. So roles and permission. Let's say you want your teachers to maybe have access to only academics. You can just come here. Let's say, okay, as you can see, accountant here. Let's say assign permission. So the accountant is going to be in charge of only the financial aspect of your school. He won't have access to the academic parts. So here you can choose anything that you want. Let's say you want him to have access to teacher evaluation, you want him to have access to human resource, all this. So once the accountant logs in, he will see all these roles that you've assigned to him. He won't be able to change any other thing on the admin dashboard. So here you can see the accounts, income and expense, the general overview of everything. Okay, you can see. So here you can see all the income coming, the school fees here. If you have any other source of income in your school, fine, it will be shown here. So expenses too, chart of accounts, bank account of the school, fund transfer. You can see literally everything here. Okay, so here, so let's go to chat. The chat box, this feature is for everyone in the school that is on this management system, the students, the parents, the staff, and every stakeholder in your school. So this communicates, shows what you post on your notice board. You can send bulk SMS to parents for maybe their children came to school late, or if a student is absent, you can actually send a bulk SMS to the parents telling them that, okay, this student is late, or is a habitual late comer. Or you can send bulk email. You can schedule events, calendar, and this email template and SMS template. Let me show you the SMS template. Student admission for parents. You can see their parents. You can put the parents' name, maybe James, your child, the student name. It should be, here is going to show the student name. Admission is completed. You can log into your account, blah blah blah. You can see all this. You see, for student late, if a student is late, dear student, you are late to the school, blah blah. All this, you can change this. You can customize all this to your grammar or anything. All these are templates. you can send all these SMS with student report. Here you can see attendance report, you can see subject report, subject attendance report, everything. You can just see it here. Class routine. Let's open the student attendance report so you can see how it is. Let's pick a class. Okay. Okay. Let's see, August. Like I said earlier, this is a demo the presentation, so all the data are not imputed, but on the normal day it's supposed to show you the list of students and also the attendance here. So let's go down. Exam reports, you can see all the reports here, then the staff report, the payroll, and also the attendance of every staff, the school fees report. You can see if you have if you waive school fees for a student or anybody, you can just see it here, the balance, the payment report. This custom field is like a registration form for both student and staff. Like if a student wants to register, like admission form, yeah. So this general settings is basically for the software. The payment settings, you can set up a payment settings. You can the SMS settings, because you'll be using the software for sending SMS. You want to back up your system, you can back it up once. This front end is for designing your website. We'll be designing the website actually for you, so you don't have any issue with this. This is on us. Then the fees settings. Okay, so you can see your fees invoice settings here. Then don't worry about this. All these settings will be done by us. So the exam settings, let's say, yeah, you can set the format. Let me open this for you to see also. Okay. Don't worry, all this will be set by us. The position, the criteria for maybe your first position, second position, third position in your class. Then seat plan settings, all that. This is for virtual class. Okay, let's say you are having a virtual class, maybe for example during Corona, and students were not able to be present in school, so you can set up virtual classes here. All these are software. Jitsi, virtual class, Big Blue Button, all these are softwares. You can use any one of these. You can even use this Google Meet for it. So basically, this admin demo shows you all the features of this school management system software. If you need any other feature to be added on to this, we can still customize this to your taste. Thank you.